So this is the present working directory command. So which will give this path, okay, of the MATLAB here. Okay. So let us say if I wanted to declare a variable called a. Okay. So now I'll just give a and then I'll assign some value to the a, okay, or I just give a name likewise, okay. So nothing happens here. So here undefined function or a variable, okay. So if I do like this, so it will not consider as a variable, so only we need to give the values, okay. So a equal to 10. Okay, so now I'll save this value 10 in a, here you can see workspace. In the workspace you will get a variable, automatically variable will be created and the value of the a will be shown here. Okay, so and then answer is another variable, so which is the default one, so where it will be created automatically, okay, automatically. So here I got this, so based on the command only the answer will be stored. So because I have executed pwd is a command, so for that one, so it has created answer variable and then the result of the pwd is stored here. Okay, so if I see here answer, so here in the answer it is stored. Okay, so and then a is stored and a is created and then value of 10 is assigned for a here. Okay, and then if I wanted to create another variable b equal to 20, so if I am not giving semicolon, please observe here, so I am not giving the semicolon here, so what now the result will be, okay. So you can see here b equal to 20, so b equal to 20, so in such a way it is executing, okay, it is automatically executed by the MATLAB because I haven't given any semicolon here. Okay, if I give the semicolon, this value only stored here. If I enter a, so then the value which is a is assigned with some value, right, so that will be resulted here. So if I can if I give b, then b equal to 20, so the value which is stored in the variable a and b will be displayed here. Is it clear everyone? So up to now, so
Yes,
workspace, current folder, command window. Okay, so in the command window only we will execute the commands. So there is another possibility for writing the scripts. Okay, so we can write the script and then we can load that one also. I'll tell you in the further classes. So till for now, just only execute some commands. So you can also directly add, okay, 5 plus 5. So answer equal to 10. So now you can see here in the workspace. So whatever be the first command we have given pwd, so that is stored earlier in the answer variable. But now what is stored here? So answer is 10. So that means dynamically the answer variable will be varied. Okay, so based on the commands. So here it is taking as directly the variables and then it is storing temporarily on the answer. So if I do if I execute some other command here, then answer will be replaced. Okay, so answer will be replaced by this one. Okay, sqrt. So if I am giving this one, so answer equal to 4. Now answer variable is again what happened here? So it is replaced by 4. Okay, now whatever we have done 5 plus 5 has been replaced by the square root of 16. Okay, so all the mathematical expressions can be directly executed in this command window. Okay, so if I do sine of sine of, so let us say x equal to 50. So you'll see, so this is the sine of x. Okay, so we can directly execute sine, cos. Okay, so any kind of mathematical expressions. Now I need to clear my screen. Okay, so what I need to do, I need to use CLC command. Okay, CLC is used for clearing the command window. Okay, not the variables only. So there is lots of difference command window. So we need to clear the total screen. So now what I do, I need to use CLC. So if I wanted to see the history of the uh, command window, so whatever I have done till now, okay, so whatever I have done till now can be seen here. Okay, so because so of pressing the up arrow only, okay, now you can see the history of the command window. So whatever I have done till now whatever I have done, so all those things can be shown here. So this all these things I have done yesterday, let us say. Okay, so all these things will be done here. So here from A only, sorry, from P. So here you can see the date, time, everything. Okay, so in the history of the command window, so from this date and from this time we have using this MATLAB. So whatever operations we have done, all these things can be listed here. So pressing of up arrow. Okay, so generally the command window command history window can be placed right or left side of the IDE itself, but I have disabled that one. So for showing you people, so after pressing the up arrow I am getting all the history. Okay, is it clear? You can see here the variables. Okay, so if I press variables, so the type of a variable, and then so this will be managed in the format of the table. Okay, so in the x value and b value, so everything. Okay, so this is a simple way of using the command window. And then we'll, if we wanted to clear all these things, all the variables, okay, so you can directly use clear, so that you can see here in the workspace no variable is there now. Okay, all the variables are deleted or cleared. Okay, so these are all the related command window options. And so if I create some variables like so you can see multiplication of AB, and so all the ANS by B. You can also directly perform with the answer. Okay, so answer is a variable, right? So here in this answer, generally whatever we will do without giving semicolon will be stored here. So if and this variable is also able to use in the operations. Now I have done answer by B, so with the B value we will get, so answer as 50, right? So in such a way we can use the answer variable also. Okay, now some other operations on these variables. So now if I wanted to see what are the variables which I have declared. Okay, so who is a command, so which lists all the variables. Okay, your variables are A, Answer B, C, D. Okay, so if I forget, so let us say this workspace has filled with many number of variables. Okay, so if we are doing a large operation, then it is possible, right? So at the time, if you need to only list what are the variables you have, then you can use a this who command. Okay, so who and whose, so we'll give the size of the variable and then bytes used and the class also. Okay, so if we have given any attributes, then that will also be part of this whose. Okay, so these are the uses of who and whose. Okay, so note